boys and girls, it is Miss Vero coming to you with our Letterland lesson of the day. We're going to start first and foremost with our biscuits. Hey boys and girls, Miss Vero's coming at you with our Letterland lesson of the day. We're going to start a little different with our letter quick dash first and foremost. What is this letter? That's right, Annie Apple. What's her sound? Ah, we're going to squip. Who is this character? That's right, Clever Cat. What's his sound? Great job. Who is this Letterlander? That's right, it's Eddie Elephant. What's his sound? Eh. Who is this Letterlander? That's right, it's Golden Girl. What's her sound? G, g, g. Great job. Who is this Letterlander? It's Impy Ink. What's his sound? Eh, eh, eh. And who is this Letterlander? That's right, it's Kicking King. His sound is K. We're going to meet two new Letterlanders today. The first Letterlander we're going to meet is Munching Mike. Now, Munching Mike is a machine, and he likes to munch on mechanical parts. Here are some vocabulary cards that go with Munching Mike. Munching Mike has a monkey who likes to eat mangoes. Munching Mike's sound is You hear that in the beginning of Munching, Mike, monkey, and mango. Next, Munching Mike loves to drink milk. Say that with me. Milk. And last but not least, Munching Mike loves magnets. Magnets attract to each other and attract to things that are metal. Say that with me. Metal. What sound does our character make today, Munching Mike? It makes the sound. Think of your mom or dad or grandma's favorite cookie. Mine is cookies. And when I eat a cookie, I say, Our next Letterlander is Noisy Nick. Noisy Nick likes to make a lot of noise. When you say Noisy Nick, your tongue touches the top of your mouth. It sounds like but my lips are not together. My tongue is on the top of my mouth saying Here are some vocabulary cards that go with Noisy Nick. This is a nest. Noisy Nick tries to be quiet when he sees a nest in a nut tree. Noisy Nick also loves to collect nuts from that nut tree. I see peanuts, and those look like walnuts. Maybe they're pecans. Not sure. And can you guess how old Noisy Nick is? Well, he's not 6. He is 9. Noisy Nick is 9 years old. Let's go ahead and listen to our Letterland song and do our activity with our letters M and N. See you later, guys.